Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to sort the records in Odoo using underscore order attribute in Odoo 19 for our custom module and what are the downside of using that particular order attribute. Now today we are gonna study about how to add radio buttons in Odoo 19 for our custom module. So let's go to our persons view and open. Here, let's add a field known as gender. Go to the persons view, add gender is equals to fields dot selection. It must be a selection field. Male, female, male. After adding this field in the model, let's add it in the view as well. Control C. Go to the persons view. In the form view, simply add here V and just restart the server. Go to the apps, upgrade our module, go to the library management, persons view, open any of the record. See, now you can see here gender selection field is shown. But what if we want to show gender as a radio button? So in order to do that, all we need to do is add a widget known as radio in XML view. Let's go to the persons view here. Add widget is equals to radio, and I'll simply restart the server. Go to the apps, start it again, refresh the page, go to the apps, upgrade our module. Here in the library management, go to persons view and open any records. You can see the radio button is shown. So by using the widget radio in a selection field, you can add a radio button in your custom module. Now here you can see the radio buttons are shown vertically. So what if you want to show side by side? So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to the code. In the XML code, add attribute options equals to, in options, curly bracket, and then in single quotes write horizontal colon true. What it will do, it will simply make the radio buttons side by side or horizontal. Currently they are vertically. So now I'll just restart my server. Now upgrade my module. Go to the library management, person, and see now the radio buttons are shown side by side. So with the help of the widget radio, you can add radio button, and if you want to align side by side, you can add the option of horizontal as true. So let me summarize today's topic. In order to add radio button, all you need to do is go to the code, add the selection field. Remember, you must add the selection field for the radio button. After adding the selection field, add it in the view. In the view, add the widget known as radio. And if you want to show the radio button side by side, you can add options is equals to in single quote horizontal as true. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.